So I'm going to show you how to connect AirPods to your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Now this is very simple. It just requires you to go to settings. Under settings, go to connections and Bluetooth. So first, make sure Bluetooth is on and scanning for Bluetooth devices. And then you want to put these AirPods in Bluetooth pairing mode. So simply open up the case and then find the pairing button. For this one, it's at the back. So you just long press on that pairing button until they go into pairing mode. So once they're in pairing mode, I've just gone and picked up another set of AirPods. These are the 3 Pros. And once they're in pairing mode, just scan again on your tablet and you can see they've been detected. I'll just tap on pairing, accept the pairing request, and they're now paired and connected to the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. It's really that simple. The important thing is to get the AirPods in Bluetooth pairing mode. Now, it's slightly different depending on whether you have the AirPods Pro 3s, AirPods Pro 2s, or AirPods 4, or whatever AirPods you have. Just get them in pairing mode with the earbuds in the case, and they should connect to your tablet. So now they're ready to be taken out of the case and put in the ear and used for music and other kind of media. Thanks for watching and good luck.